Wet socks stink, literally. Socks have become very advanced, but why hasn't much been done to protect our feet from Mother Nature? Traditional socks soak up water, making them a pain to walk in and a breeding ground for fungus and bacteria. I wanted a comfortable pair of socks for running and playing around, so I didn't have to change my socks every time I stepped in something wet. So, I created 5 water socks. Five water socks can revolutionize the sock industry. First, by resisting water, your feet stay light and your socks dry. That comes in handy when you're running for a touchdown or racing for your best mile time.
I absolutely love these socks. I wish I had them before. They really help keep my feet dry from sweat and water. And this is great because I can be agile and quick on my feet without slipping around in my shoes.
And you can finally stop worrying about smelly socks. 5 water socks are naturally antifungal and antimicrobial, which reduces odor and itch. So you can finally kick off your shoes and enjoy the breeze without suffocating everyone around you. One of the biggest hassles about wearing socks around your home are stepping on those annoying puddles from the shower. Well, with 5 water socks, those days are history. No more changing your socks every time you walk into the bathroom. Just wipe them off. You can also impress your friends.
Check this out. Let me know how this feels.
Let's go. Okay.
Tell them to pour some maple syrup on your socks and watch their amazement.
Maple syrup. Let me see what you got.
No.
That's fire. That's fire.
A lighting solution that will change the way you see the world. On its own, PAL is a powerful light designed for rugged applications. It transforms by pairing with accessories to deliver illumination wherever it's needed. It lets you get out in the world in ways that you didn't before, because life doesn't have to be indoors when the sun goes down. As city dwellers who double as outdoorsmen, we rely on portable lights to enable our adventures. Whether in the woods, the urban streets, or our own backyards. But traditional single-use devices weren't working. Since they're made for one purpose, they end up sitting in a drawer, and when it's time to use them, the batteries are dead or rusted solid. We wanted a reliable companion, as versatile as our lifestyles, that delivered high performance. A light that can truly adapt to any situation. That's why we designed PAL. PAL delivers 15 hours of continuous light, with flood and spot modes, 3 brightness settings, and an intuitive 4-button interface. When paired with its accessories, PAL becomes a flashlight, a headlamp, a bike light, a lantern, and a task light. And in each of these categories, it performs among the best in class. We worked with an amazing team of designers and engineers through countless iterations of the design. We really focused on developing a mechanical and electrical connection that would enable a seamless and delightful user experience.
Action cameras have revolutionized the way people capture footage of their experiences.
Oh my God!
But the only solution for hands-free point-of-view filming has been the cumbersome, uncomfortable head strap. Until now.
That's my biggest one of the day.
Introducing the new mesh back ActionHat, the perfect solution for hands-free filming.
Mission!
Guten Tag im schönen Berner Oberland. Nach über 100 Winter mit dem Velo-Gemel ist es Zeit für etwas Neues, und zwar das Stück hier, der Sommergemel. Mit dem verfolge ich 3 Ziele. Das erste ist, ich will, dass die Leute lachen in der Natur. Zweitens wollte ich, dass unsere Berge im Berner Oberland ein bisschen populärer werden. Und drittens wollte ich die Infrastruktur vom Winter im Sommer besser nutzen. Mein Projekt könnt ihr auf 4 Art und Weise unterstützen. 50, 100, 250 oder 500 Franken. Entweder als Test, Elite, sportlich oder Profidecker. Voilà. Jetzt sage ich merci für das Interesse, bitte mich zu unterstützen und hoffentlich bald am Männlichen zu sehen. Auf Wiedersehen.